Tal. Guys, I want to talk about those perfumes, right? Nitro, Elixir, Dumont, Precieux, Armaf. This is the first impression. So I want to try with this perfume and their opinion what the best perfume for him. And the other one is Lattafa Mussamam Black Intense. All this was launched in 2025. So
Packaging and case is impressive so far.
It's guaranteed.
So, okay. You can try it.
That's not too bad.
Okay. It smells like a citrus sweet, like something.
More citrusy,
More
but attractive.
Okay. And that one?
Good.
That smell?
That's not bad.
Okay. How many points you how many what qualify you give that perfume from 110? It smells sweet, some fruity.
I'll give it a 7.5, 8.
Okay, that's Nitro Elixir.
Packaging, I'll give it a
Okay, and how
9.
for 110?
This is giving me Cartier vibes. So, you get it? It smells pretty good. Like around 8. I would
8?
guess. Yes.
Okay. So, and the last one, this one. Estamos haciendo este video, mis amigos, aquí orgánico con mis amigos, calificando estos perfumes. Espero que les guste el contenido. This is Armaf, right? Precious, it's launched for women's, 2025. So,
Women's, I'm not spraying on myself. Right?
This for ladies? Oh.
yes.
Ladies
This
gonna
one
love
smells like bubble gum.
Yeah, ladies gonna
Yeah,
love
it's
this.
very sweet. When it's coming out, it's like a little synthetic. You feel fruity.
Yeah, but it is.
Yeah, it smells good.
It gives a.
Yeah, I like
A
this
feminine
one.
vibe.
Yeah. It smells like Jean-Paul Gaultier de Pine. Jean-Paul Gaultier de Pine. It's very fruity, sonamber, vanilla, and how the qualify this perfume for
This
women?
for a lady, I'll give it about a 9.
Okay, 9 for lady.
I'll
Precious.
buy it for my girlfriend.
So
for
that's
sure.
8. Mussamam, Lattafa Black Intense.
Mhm.
This one is a little weak for me. I would give this like a 6.5 or 7.
Okay, that's Nitro. Okay,
Nitro, we gave it about a 7.5. Like
Okay.
I said, Rex said a 6.
So why you took it for this perfume? So in the end, why you took it? Both.
Well, I like this one more.
Okay. Simple and clear. They both took Lattafa, Mussamam Black Intense. I will do 2 because this is a great perfume. Really great perfume. Hasta la vista, mis amigos. Say to la vista, mis amigos.